This morning I am going to make a copycat of Red Lobster's Cheddar Baked biscuits. So I'm just going to make a half of a recipe. So there's a cup of Bisquick. I got a fourth of a cup of cheddar cheese and a third cup of milk. Alrighty. Get me a spoon. Alrighty. I hope everybody's doing alright this morning. This is going to make a few of them. Okie dokie. I've never made these before, but I went to Red Lobster the other day. Been there since, it's been a while since I've been there. And they had these biscuits. And I'm going to put a little onion powder in here. It says put it in the thing, but I'm going to add this to that too. Alrighty. I'm going to dab this on here. Let me show you what I'm doing. And I'll have a little baby one too. All right, I am going to put this in air fryer and put it on 400 degrees. And let that cook a little bit. All right, while I'm doing that, I'm going to put the butter, and I'm going to melt my butter. This goes on top. Get that off there. But I hope everybody's doing all right this morning. I overslept this morning. I was sleeping so good. Been a motorcycle running around outside and finally left. It'll take about 10 minutes to cook. By the time I get this done, they'll be ready to put the butter and parsley flakes and the garlic on top. I don't burn my stand for my camera. But I hope everybody's doing good this morning. I have been so blessed. I'll be 84 years old in March. My health is good. I went to the doctor the other day and my health is good. Is I just stay off the floor and quit breaking bones. Now I'm gonna put about a teaspoon of garlic powder in here. But I went over there to Red Lobster. Been, like I said, it's been a long time since I've been over there, a long time. And they brought out those biscuits, Cheddar Bay biscuits. Brought me 3. My goodness, it was so delicious. So I found the recipe on the computer, and I've got it. And this is about what they do. So I just, like I said, I made a half a batch, but I'll put the whole recipe in the description. It takes 2 cups of Bisquick, 2/3 cups of milk, a half a cup of cheddar cheese grated, and then the topping is garlic powder, melted butter, and parsley flakes. And thank goodness I had everything I needed. And I'm going to put a little garlic parsley flakes in there too. And then I'm going to spread it on top. I'm going by I want it to really look good. Well, we get the top off here. Then I'll put some on, sprinkle it on top when I get them buttered on top. I can't wait to get these done. This is what I'm going to help her. Let me fix me a little bit of something to eat and eat these biscuits with my dinner. Because it's about dinner time here. They're cooking. I'm afraid to turn my camera off because my editing program quit. And I can't piece my clips together. I don't know what happened to it. I made a video of going to Red Lobster, but I didn't get the intro. I got my meal and tasted each thing and told them how it was, and I downloaded that in one clip. I had about 3 or 4 clips to that. So, just a minute. I appreciate all y'all subscribers. I love each and every one of you. And I enjoy my YouTube channel. And I just love showing everybody what I'm doing. They're cooking. I've downloaded, I had got one to share. Filmora is my is my editing program, but I found another one. It's Windows editing program. I've got it downloaded to my computer. I may try to do this over it. Or I may just make 2 videos and then put them together, one right after the other. I started cleaning house and I still like a lot. But I got down in my back and I couldn't hardly do anything. After I get up and walk, I'm alright, but I have a hard time getting up and down. But I